What's good, everybody? Michael Alder here from carpettools.com, and in this video I want to share with you 3 surefire ways that you are going to lose money in the carpet installation game. Now, part 3 pertains to me. I lost some serious money on Saturday. I lost 3 G's in one day. I'm going to tell you how I totally messed that up. But first things first, let's get into the meat of it here. Now, working for the commercial companies. Now, doing glue down commercial work at scale brings in a boatload of money, but doing the apartment work for a middleman company will always leave you broke. Now here's the thing, I used to run a 10-man crew back in the day. We took out over 1,000 yards a day and we were bringing in 10 grand a week. It felt like big baller stuff. After everybody was paid, all the headaches were dealt with, I was making what I'm making now doing residential type work and totally killing myself for it. So I'm going to share in other videos how you could go ahead and downsize and actually make far more money. So working for the commercial companies doing apartment work with a middleman brokering it out, you will never get on top. It doesn't matter how much you make, it's how much you keep, and you don't keep very much when you're doing that. The next way, being number 2 guy. Lots of people like to be the hot shot under the main guy. You're never gonna ball doing that. You gotta put your big boy pants on and take charge of things and start selling your own jobs. When you have someone ahead of you, you're basically their slave in the end of the day. Now, it's okay when you're up and coming and you're trying to find your way and build your accounts, but at some point you gotta leave that nest if you wanna make the big money. So don't think you could coast through life being number 2 and you're gonna get by. You're always gonna be a couple dollars short at everything. So focus on getting your game face on and be number 3 or number 1. Now, number 3, here's the good one, is being organized. And I am the absolute worst person on the planet at being organized, and it cost me $3,000 on Saturday. So you may have noticed I haven't put out a lot of videos over the past couple weeks. We've been swamped beyond swamped. It's been consistent grind day in and day out. Great client of mine. We did his main office. Of course, it was never a small job when these things hit the fan. Did his main office, glue down job, nice margins, $3,000. He initially places the order with me, picks out the carpet, I write everything down. We have some email dialogue back and forth over a week or 2 trying to fine-tune everything. He changes the carpet color. I acknowledge that he changes the carpet color, but I don't update my notes. So when it comes time to do the job, I go back to my original notes. I'm so busy, I forgot he updated in the emails and I didn't update it in our notes. I placed the order with the original stuff, get it all glued in. This place was packed with desks, file cabinets, just pain in the butt job as is. We get everything down, it's looking money. It's the wrong freaking color and we're all the way done. So he's a great guy. We're gonna work out something that, you know, benefits him, but at the end of the day, I lost a lot of money because I wasn't organized. So get organized, get an assistant if you have to, whatever it takes. But those are my 3 tips of how you can lose money in your carpet installation business. So get your game face on, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more details on how to make more money. I'll catch you in the next video.